Well, hello there and welcome aboard. This is the inside of my Irish sweater sleeve, and I hand stitched the hole that was in the elbow, and this is the inside of that hole, and I tried to fix it twice. The first time it was really amateurish. I tried to use a little bit of denim and kind of seal it up all that way, but I stopped when I realized that I was on the wrong track. That is not the way to darn this, obviously. But I did darn it with hand stitch it with thread, and it came out okay, because I'm as far as sewing is concerned, I'm really young, but I'm 70 years old. But anyway, this is the way it looks on the outside. So I can wear that now. And there's a little bit there that I will have to do, and there's a couple of other things that I would like to fix up on this sweater, because it cost me about, I don't know, $160, $170 Canadian back in 2010 or 2011 when I bought it in Perth, Ontario, and it's imported from Ireland. You know, it's got a label right here, and what can I show you? Don't know if you can see that. It says Carrig Dawn since 1968, an Irish tradition, 100% pure new wool. It's an extra large, as we can see, and then it's got it says nettoyer, it says dry clean. But anyway, so that's done, and that was one of the things that about a week ago I had 3 things that I was going to fix, and that was one of them. So I'm starting to learn how to hand sew in order to alter or fix my old clothes, you know, and imported wool sweaters from Ireland are nice old clothes. Here are a pair of Viking nylon waterproof pants, trousers, and they're really cool, because you can literally undo the whole leg for ventilation or whatever, and it's very well protected to keep you entirely dry from rain. So, and these pants are nylon, and I don't know if there is a lining, and it's nylon as well. I wonder if I should have been using a walking foot for this, but nonetheless, there was a couple of issues. I still have to do a slight repair here because I ruffled up the material cloth so it's not flat. And the other thing I did was I had to turn up about 5 or 6 inches. See? And I didn't want to cut through the zipper or ruin the zipper. Now, the interesting thing about these pants is that there's a zipper that goes all the way down on the outside of each leg. But you cannot take the front half of the pants and detach the front off the back half of the pants. The zipper doesn't, it's not a zipper that allows you to undo the zip entirely and remove the front part of the pants from the back. So that's what and I'm still working on this because I'm going to have to fix it a little bit. But I'm on the right track, and I do wonder with this nylon if I should have used like my leather foot or walking foot, but I'll investigate that later. So that's a work in progress. The end result is, it is successful that I can wear these, because I tried them on, and that little faux pas of how it looks, I don't care how it looks. But I am going to fix it because I do like it to be flat and flush. I don't want it to get any wear where it crinkles or wrinkles, because I think that's what will happen. So that was the second item, and I just want to say that I really do enjoy that I have been working on outdoor gear, and that's what this is. So I'll throw them out of the way. My prize effort is right here. These are my new Levi's 5/17. Waist 38 inches, length on the leg is 32 inches. And what I did with them is I had to take them up, and I didn't want to cut the bottom of the hems off. I have done that with some, and I am learning how to do that still, but I didn't want to do it with these ones. So what I did was I turned up the hem, and that's the original stitching, and then here I put in a thin line of, it's kind of light brown thread. Let's see if we can get in there and let you have a look-see. And so it turned out pretty good. You know, I had stitched all the way along, and it's the bobbin thread was white, so the inside it's undiscernible. You can't even see the thread. It's a very light brown thread there, so I haven't detracted or changed the view of the original Levi production, whatever that is. I understand what that stitch is. It kind of goes forward two and back one and forward two, back one, kind of like life. But it was important that I put in this line of light brown, same thread, and I put it edge stitch it all the way along, all the way around on each leg, so that dirt and dust and stones and garbage doesn't get in there. The other thing that was really good about this effort, this learning, and having fun with my stuff, sewing machines and stuff, is that I have two new heavy-duty Singer sewing machines. I have a heavy-duty 44S, and I think I actually used it on these. I also have a new Singer 4432 that I use most of the time, and then I have a used 4423 that I have been using recently as well. So I'm really well equipped as far as heavy duty Singer sewing machines. So the nice thing about it is that I did not have to cut or channel or distort in any way the original side seams, the thick one and the flat one, on either leg. So these turned out really well. I'm really pleased with these. I wore these the other day, and I was, you know, proud as an old peacock. Just, you know, I picked a quiet street where there's nobody. I was walking up the block, and I was kind of looking at my legs, the bottom of my legs, to see how they looked, and it came out really good. I was really, really happy about that. So those are the three things that I worked on recently, in addition to playing with the SERGER and the experimenting and learning I did with that. I will be getting back to the SERGER, which we see right there, and when I get back to it next time later in the week, I'm going to thread all 4 threads, and I'm going to insert the left side, the left-hand needle, because there's only one needle in there right now. The right-hand needle on the machine is the A needle, and the left-hand needle on the SERGER is the B needle. So that's what's coming up in the next day or two as well. So I just wanted to give you a little update on how my gene making expedition is going. And I want to thank you for stopping in and visiting me on my channel, and my machines and my jeans, my machines and my jeans. And I hope that you're having a really good time learning and you know, working your machines and your projects. And I just wanted to thank you. It's coming up the, you know, Christmas time, the holidays and all that. So I just wanted to let you all know that I really appreciate that over 6,000 people a month, every 28 days, come here and have a look. And there's a certain number that do subscribe, so I'd like to say a special thank you to the 6,000 people who come here every month. And I'd also like to say a special thank you to those that subscribe, because that does help the channel continue on and grow as long as I keep making videos. So there you go. That's what's happening on a Tuesday, what is it, December 16th or something? Something like that. You know, Christmas is coming, holidays are coming, New Year's are coming, and so there you are, folks. I want you to really have fun. I want you to stay safe and sound, And I want you to come back real soon the next time I post a video. So hit the little notification icon underneath the screen above the description box, and every time I publish a video you'll get a little message sent to you that Jebb Adams just published, or Jebb Adams Sewing just posted another video. So there you go, have fun. Adios for now, amigos.